Gorilla Tripod Unboxing and Review. Let us unbox the package. First of all, there is a cardboard. Here is the tripod. It is well wrapped in bubble wrap, and a universal mobile holder is included in the package. There is also a Bluetooth remote included in the package. Let me open this wrap. The build quality seems amazing for the price. As this is a Gorilla tripod, it can be adjusted into various directions. The build quality is good. Now let me give you a sample for this. And this is a universal mobile holder. It has a screw mount on two sides. First you have to mount the screw. Later it can be attached to the tripod. The tripod is quite sturdy and it can even handle DSLR. Now let me show you the demo of this remote. First of all, there's a switch on the right side of this remote. You have to on it. Later take up your mobile phone. Switch on the Bluetooth and search for this shutter, and here you can find it. Press on it and it will pair it automatically. Once it is paired, open the camera app, and if you press the button, the shutter will click automatically. And I tried for the video, and in this particular phone it didn't work. If you use another app such as open camera, the video mode also can be enabled through this Bluetooth remote. I tried another phone and the default camera app of the phone was able to start the video mode through remote. Now let me mold the phone to the tripod. The holder is quite sturdy. The Bluetooth remote does its job. There are various purposes which can be served using this tripod. Let me show you a sample. You can take smooth videos using this tripod. This tripod is placed somewhere around 600 to 800 rupees. And it will be very useful for vloggers and YouTubers. It can also be used as a mobile stand. I'll leave the Best Buy link in the description below. Now let us see how and all it can be used.